Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you step by step how to transfer crypto from Binance to Binance. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you have two browsers opened. So for me this is Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. You'll then need to make sure that you're logged in on both of the accounts. So the account you want to transfer from and the account you want to transfer to. You'll then need to go over to the account you want to transfer from and go over to Wallet and click on Find and Spot. You will then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. And you need to go over to Withdrawal. And then the first thing you need to do is to select the coin you would like to transfer. For me, this will be XRP. Once you have selected the coin you want to transfer, you need to go over to the other Binance account. And again go over to Wallet and click on Find and Spot. You'll then need to go over to Deposit and select the same coin you have selected on the other Binance account. So in this case, that's going to be XRP. By the way, if you send your cryptocurrencies to the address of another coin, you will lose all the funds you're transferring, so please double check you have the same coin selected. You'll then need to select the network you want to deposit to. In this case I'm going to use XRP, and then you want to click on Get Address if you don't have an address already. You'll then need to copy your address, and go over to the other Binance account. So paste your address in, select the right network, in this case it's going to be XRP, and if needed also make sure to enter your memo, because if you forget to, you will also lose your coins. So I just copied my memo, so I'll go back over to my Google Chrome and paste my memo in. So once you have selected the coin you want to transfer, and filled in the address you want to withdraw to, the network you want to use, and if necessary you have filled in your memo, you can now go ahead and fill in the amount of coins you would like to withdraw. You can fill in this amount manually, or you can click on the max button to select all of the available holdings. So once you have filled in everything you need to fill in, you can go ahead and click on Withdrawal. You'll then see this pop up. Please make sure to double check all the information to make sure you haven't made any mistakes, and then click on Continue. You'll now need to go through the security verification process. This is quite easy, because all you need to do is to click on Get Code and fill in the verification codes. Once you have filled in your verification codes, the last and final thing you need to do is to click on Submit. The withdrawal request has been submitted, and as you guys can see, the withdrawal has been completed. And when I go over to my other Binance account and I refresh this page, you will also see that the transfer has been added to the recent deposits. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.